Blender 2.81 and Rubble Monster is what you just saw. This guy, a model from Mixamo, where you can find characters with or without textures as you choose, and animations to attach to those characters. You can download for free after you sign up for free. I made a texture for this guy to give him sort of a phantom appearance of being transparent in the middle and ghostly spectre-like along the edges. There it is. The material is animated to make him fade in and fade out, but this is the strongest appearance of the mix between transparent, emission, transparent. I used the two animations from two different armatures and put them onto my armature. This is where two different animations come together. This happy fella is attracting lots of objects because of the force field harmonic, attracting at every point from a list of many options. The strength is being animated to increase. That which he's attracting is a particle system. This particle system is just as simple as you please, but it's Boids from a list of many. The Boids fly on their own with a given set of instructions until the strength of the man standing up exceeds the ability of the Boids to fly around on their own. You can see that the Boids come from a collection. That collection is a cell-fractured cube right above the character's head. It would render in F12 render, or Control F12 animation, unless you exclude it from view with this check mark, which also excludes it from rendering. Those are the basics of what I call the Rubble Monster. Thanks to Eevee, all of these particles and all of this action rendered very quickly with motion blur. I hope some of you can use this special effect to your advantage. Remember to bake your animation, or it will crawl, just as mine is doing now. I dig your subscriptions, I love your comments, and your likes mean a lot to me. Keep up the good work, and thanks for watching.